How are you all? Good. I'm also good. So today we are both going to play a Stranger Pair Talk, and we both will teach you how to play Stranger Pair Talk. And I'm a student of this institute. I hope if you like this video, so please like and subscribe this video. Okay. So let's get started. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
So may I take your couple of minutes?
Yes, sir. You can sure.
Sir, I'm a new of Delhi. So really I don't know about like this address. So please tell me this address.
Sir, firstly, I want to know like about yourself. Later, I will.
Yes, why not? My name is Arbaj, and I just came from. Recently, I came from the Bihar. So I just want to take admission in any institute. If you know, so please tell me.
What?
Means any institute which is means spoken is anywhere from where I can learn the English, anything.
Yeah, I can tell you about the institute from where you can learn about the spoken kind of languages. Like, but before I want to introduce myself.
Yes, why not?
I can introduce?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
please.
so my name is Samir, and I also belong to Bihar, but now currently I live in Delhi.
Okay, thank you.
Delhi at Sangam Vihar recently, and apart from that, I had completed my 10th, and now I'm pursuing in 11th.
Okay.
From government school, and in my family there are 6 family members, and apart from that my hobby is just to reading the things. That's all about myself. And now I just come on about the institute.
Yes,
yeah, sir. If you want to learn the English spoken kind of thing in regarding to the English language, so you can like here I having some kind of choice regarding to the institutes like the institute from where I'm learning the English language.
So you are also learning English?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
That's why I can tell you with my own example, own experience.
Okay.
Like the institute name is like International Institute of Foreign Languages, and basically it is situated in Kanpur. And if you want to take the admission, so you can take there. And if you want to know something more before reaching that institute, you can know with the help of the YouTube, because the owner of that, the director of this institute, of that institute, like he is just uploading the video on the regular basis on the YouTube. If you want to know more about it, you can know with the help of the YouTube platform.
Okay, thank you for giving me this information.
Yeah.
I definitely I will thank you too much. Means I just want to know about from where are you learning and where is means located, like your institute, as you said me. Means where is it located and where I can go there.
Like as I had mentioned about it, like institute name is International Institute of Foreign Languages. It is situated near the Kanpur.
Okay.
Kanpur
Any
village.
specific name means by which I can go there, I can reach
like,
there.
You can get like Kanpur mode in, like you can see Kanpur mode.
Okay,
there
okay,
you can,
okay.
it is a common location.
Okay, so are you going there so you can bring me there, man? Then I can talk to Jitu sir. Means any institute means I can talk that.
Yeah,
person.
I am also going there. I can bring you with me if you want. If you can come.
Okay, so definitely I will come. But as you said me in your introduction, you are from Bihar. So definitely I want to know about means in Bihar where do you live? Because I also belong to Bihar, so definitely I want.
Like I belong to Bihar, as I had mentioned. And about the district name is like Aurangabad.
Aurangabad. Okay.
Zilla.
And I live in Samastipur.
Okay.
So maybe it was totally nearby you. Definitely, if you will visit, so definitely I will like to come in your home.
Okay.
Okay. So now means tell me, can you come with me? Means where is your tuition is located? Then I can go there.
Yeah,
then I can learn.
Yes, sir. Actually, as I had mentioned about it is located in the Kanpur.
Okay.
You can come with me, but yeah, before it, I want to know like about your what kind of thing, like why you come in Delhi.
Why I come? Because I just want to complete my graduation, and recently I had just completed my 12th class from CBSE. So I just want to continue my education. So that's why I came here.
Like
and
from where from in Bihar you had completed your schooling.
Yes.
Okay, from
so that's why for completing my I just want to continue my journey to education sector. That's why I just came here with my family. Okay. So that's why, and I think so English is more important for me. Yeah. That's why I wanted to know about yourself, and I wanted to know about like any specific location is located in for learning English language. Then I can learn English from there also. So as you said, man, you are also a student of their tuition. So please tell me, means can you bring me there? Then I can talk to Jitu. Means any teacher. Yep.
Yeah, I can bring you. As I had mentioned again and again.
And can you means tell me your experience, how you are learning?
Yeah, if
you
I
are
tell
talking
about
with
my experience was very good.
Okay.
It is very good because as I had learned many of the things from this institute, and in that institute you can get to know about you can build many of the things. You can build the confidence you can confidence, and you can learn how to motivate the student, and about that, like about the monitoring, you can learn that kind of thing from that. Apart from learning English, you can get many of the opportunities regarding to like in English, and it will help you a lot in the future if you will get a chance to teach somewhere, so you can teach with the help of that language. Because, and apart from that, in the experience in this institute, basically there it is divided into 3 classes: basic, medium, advanced. In the basic, it is subdivided into grammar classes. In the medium, you can learn about the topic games, about the sitting presentation. It is one kind of demo about for the advanced class. And in the advanced class, it is a final class where you have to check yourself by giving the presentation, because there you will meet with the final monitors, you will meet with them, and they will give you the high qualified feedback kind of thing. By that you can improve yourself. And about the director of the institute, he is also very good. He is very kind. He is having the kind nature kind of thing, and he will support you if you will go there for taking the
so what is the structure of the like fees? Is there any?
Yeah, about the structure of the fees, yeah, it's you have to pay the 6,000. But if you will go there on, as you know that the Diwali festival is going on, if you will pay that money in the Diwali, so you have to pay 5,000.
Okay, 5,000 means I will get the discount.
Yeah.
Okay, it's really, it would be good, but I think so like 5,000 rupees, it's a huge amount for me, because
yes sir, I know, because most of the persons always say that it is a very huge amount. But apart from that amount, just think that the director of the institute, he is providing you the lifetime guarantee kind of thing. You can learn there lifetime. For how much time you want to learn, you can learn from there.
Okay, so in my life I didn't listen, means lifetime membership I will get. So definitely I would like to join your institute. And definitely whatever you said me, definitely I would like to take a demo of too also. If I will not satisfy, so definitely I will not come. But whatever you said, if it is true, so definitely I would like to join your institute also. Okay, so means tell me, as you said me, like 3 classes are available there, about basic classes, intermediate and senior classes.
Yes.
Okay, and what about like sir, means any teacher teaches us very good way? What is the behavior of the teacher? Can you tell me?
As I about the teacher, there is no any teacher, there is only a single teacher. His name is Jitu sir. He is the director of that institute as well. And he is just teaching us in the basic class regarding to grammar. And apart from that, the teacher is on all the students are teachers of that institute, because as you can see, as I had mentioned about the monitoring, why I had mentioned that kind of term, because of that, because in this institute each and every student get a chance. When he or she reach in the advanced class, he or she will get the chance to be a monitor, and he or she will teach the student like how to play that game, about the rules and regulation, about the terms, about the mistakes, about that kind of thing. They will teach to the students.
So in your institute, everyone is like a teacher.
Yes.
Okay, it's totally marvelous for me. Definitely, if I will become, if I will join your tuition, so definitely I can be also monitor. So yeah, it was totally fantabulous, whatever you taught me.
Now I would like to know that do you like that whatever I mentioned?
So yeah, whatever you said, definitely it's quite, I can say, difficult to me to understand about everything, because it means too much facilities if I will get. So definitely there is no way to take admission in another way. So definitely I would like to come in your institute, and first of all I will check the environment. Whatever you said, is it really true or not? Okay.
You can take you just come with me in that institute and you get to know about the demo.
Yes,
you can take
the
demo classes as well.
Okay. So how many demo classes I can take?
You can take the two days demo classes.
Okay. And what I will do in that?
You just have to sit in that class. Firstly, you have to meet with the owner of that institute. After that, he will tell you about the terms and the condition of this institute, and then he will give you the chance to to take that demo in the advanced class.
Okay. Then definitely means I am a new for your institute, but definitely I'm totally hesitate for means whatever you said, means how I will handle the person, means how I will go to your institute, because definitely a lot of people will be new for me. Then how I will means manage everything.
But don't worry about the hesitation kind of thing, because the owner of the institute, he just be like your friend. Don't worry about it, because he will teach you in a well manner.
Okay, so means how many months have you spent there? Means any?
I had spent it 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
And definitely, yeah, you are speaking really nice. So I think so I can be like you, how you are speaking right now. So it's a totally good for me. And as you said me like a Diwali offer, so definitely I would like to come in Diwali offer, and I will take the admission in that. Okay. So do you have a number of your teacher?
Like if you want a number of that institute, so you can check on the Google. There
On
is a number.
Google?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the name? Whatever you said means what did you say?
International Institute of Foreign
Okay,
Languages.
International Institute of Foreign Language. Okay,
Yeah,
it's
you can check.
okay. Definitely, I will check it. Okay, so thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah,
Definitely, I would like
of
to
course.
come. Okay,
Okay.
and means right now where do you live?
As like I just living in the Delhi at Sangam Bihar.
In Sangam, Bihar. Okay,
Yeah.
and recently I came from the Bihar, so I just live in Raju Park.
Raju
Okay,
Park. Where? In the Raju Park.
in Raju
Which-
Park nearby Hanuman Mandir.
Oh, good.
So if you have free time, so you can come at my home also, and I
If I
can.
will get the free time, so definitely I will come with you.
Okay, so do you have a friend or not?
Yeah, I have a many multiple
Means
of
now
friends.
you have taught me means yeah.